Now it's time for Vivikta and Tarun. I really am excited. Like not only me, everyone in this call is excited to to look at their research paper. They have done it in less than a week. So over to you, Vivikta and Tarun. All the best.
Thank you so much, Apurva.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We are happy to share our review project work done by Vivikta and me. Before starting our presentation, I want to say the words of a Muslim theologian and philosopher named Al Ghazali. He described the greatness of a cow in his words like cow's meat is a disease and its milk is healthy, its ghee is medicine. After completing our project, I want to add one more thing to that sentence. Its dung is for Vedic paint. Let's get started. India's first cow dung paint, the paint with antifungal and antibacterial properties and also free from heavy metals. And the paint will be manufactured by the Khadi Khadi and Village Industries Commission with the support of Prime Minister Employment Guarantee Program. The India's first Gowdan paint launched by the Union Minister Nitin Gadkari and also it create extra income for farmers too, around 30,000 per annum. And also recently Khadi Prakritik paint has been sold 5,000 liters within a just month. And also 275 prospective entrepreneurs have registered with the institution for establishment of new factories regarding Vedic paint. And also KVC is interested to establish 500 units to support the entrepreneurs in next coming 6 months. Over to Vivikta.
Thank you, Tarun. So this paint is available in two forms, that is distemper paint and plastic emulsion paint. It is also cost effective because 1 liter paint, normal paint costs 225 rupees. But this Khadi Prakritik paint costs just 120 rupees per liter. This paint has also been tested by 3 national laboratories, which are National Test House Mumbai, Sri Ram Institute of Industrial Research New Delhi, and National Test House of Ghaziabad. Evolution of implementation. So I remember once my mom saying that when they used in their childhood, when they used to go to their villages, she saw many people applying this cow dung, the watered down cow dung, to the walls of their huts in the summers, and like this thing regulates the temperature, and now we are using this in paints. So basically when it comes to an industrial process, paints usually consist of 4 ingredients: 1 solvent, 2 binder or resins, 3 pigment, and 4 additives. Here we have replaced the usual routine solvents with watered down cow dungs. Then we add binder, which keeps all the particles together, pigment, which add colors to the paint, and additives, which acts as fast. It has specific classifications. Some of them are it is not stain blocking, or it acts as an agent which helps the paint to dry fast. These are the 4 ingredients. We just add them to the grinder and it grinds everything, and voila, your paint is ready. Thank you so much.